Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of Mathematics class 12 from LGM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today I discuss the probability. In the probability, we discuss the conditional probability, addition theorem on probability, and Bayes theorem, and the independent event. Now, find the conditional probability involving the different type of event. Now, the first has the probability to the introduction of the probability in 1654, a problem posed by a gambler Chevalier de Marie led to the corresponding between two famous French mathematicians, Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat, which create the mathematical theory of probability. Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat propose a theory of a probability. Now the some key points are some key concept on the basis of a probability. One is the experiment. An experiment is defined as the process whose result is well defined. An experiment is a process whose result is well defined. That is the experiment. With the example, tossing a coin, rolling a die are the example of experiment. Now second is the deterministic experiment. Now the experiment whose outcome can be predicted with certain under the identical condition. Under the certain of identical condition, such type of experiment is the deterministic experiment. For example, flipping a coin having head on both sides. जब दोनों साइड में हेड होगा तो ऐसे कंडीशन में जब हम कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे उस कंडीशन में हमेशा हेड आएगा, यानी the probability of an event is equal to 1 because they have the two events total sample space is 2, and the total outcome is 2, because on the both sides are headed, such that the probability of this experiment is 1, and the trail random experiment, it is an experiment. It is an experiment whose all possible outcomes are known. Random experiment is an experiment whose all possible outcomes are known, but it is not possible to predict the exact outcome in advance. Now, related example of the random experiment: tossing a coin, flipping a fair coin, or rolling a fair die. They are the random experiment. We cannot predict that which outcome will appear. Rolling a fair die or tossing a fair coin is an example of random experiment. Random experiment which is not and the next point is a trail. A trail is an action which results in one or several outcomes. Repetition of an experiment is called a trail. That is repetition of an experiment. किसी भी एक्सपेरिमेंट में जब रिपीटेशन होगा, उस रिपीटेशन को हम ट्रेल कहते हैं. टॉसिंग ए कॉइन and rolling a die are the example of trail. Tossing a coin and rolling a die is an example of trail. Sample space. This is the important point. Sample space. The set of all possible outcome. The set of all possible outcome of a random experiment is called the sample space. The set of all possible outcome in a random experiment are called a sample space. The sample space is associated with it. For example, when we toss a coin, therefore the total sample space is head and tail. The coin be tossed 2 times. The coin be tossed 2 times. Therefore, the total sample space is 4. Total sample space is 4, and the coin be tossed 3 times. Therefore, the total sample space is 8. Exhaustive event and mutually exclusive. Event E1, E2, event E1, E2, E3 and dash En. The event E1, E2, E3 are mutually are exhaustive event if E1 enters union E1 union E2, union E3, union dash dash, union E4, dash dash, union En, union En. This is the sample space of an experiment, and this sample space of an experiment is the exhaustive event. And next, as the mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. Two or more events are called mutually exclusive. Two or more events are called mutually exclusive. Then the occurrence of one event prevents the occurrence of another event. If the two or more events are mutually exclusive, then the occurrence of one event prevents the occurrence of another event. And the next is the complementary event. E be the event of a random experiment. E be the event of a random experiment, and S be the sample space. E bar equal to S minus E, and E bar is denoted the complementary of an event. E bar is denoted the complementary of an event. E, in other words, two of a sample space S, event A and B, are said to be complementary of each other, then the A union B equal to sample space and A intersection B equal to 5. Therefore, if A and B are a two event of a sample space F, then the complementary between each other, so the A union B equal to the sample space S and A intersection B is the equal to 5. So such condition is the complementary of an event. Such condition is the complementary of an event. Therefore, the A is the complement of B. A is the complement of B, then A equal to S minus B. If otherwise B is the complement of A, then B equal to S minus A. This is the example of a complementary event. Probability of an event. S be the sample space of an event. S be the sample space of an event, and E be the event such that S be the sample space of an event, and E be the event of an occurrence such that Ns is equal to N and Ne is equal to N. Therefore, the probability of an event equal to P E equal to N by M, total number of occurrence upon the total number of sample space. This is way to find the probability of an event. This is way to find the probability of an event. Clear? Okay, thank you.